Alright guys, so today I'm going to take you on a little journey, I could say, right? I'm going to do like a little mini vlog on this. I do have to do a mobile repair today. I don't like leaving the shop too often, but I will, as I've stated in a lot of my posts like on Instagram, stuff like that. For certain clients, we will go ahead and leave leave the shop. I'm going to be taking my personal vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and load that up. But we have today a 2010 Audi R8. It's a brand new vehicle for this customer. He actually happens to be, I believe, the doctor or a surgeon for a lot of the Chicago Blackhawks players. So the hockey team for Chicago, he is the surgeon for them, or like a certain part of the body surgeon, something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take you along for the ride on this 2010 Audi R8 V10 performance package, Suzuka Gray or whatever it may be. It's a dent in the hood. It's not going to be too crazy of a dent, so it's not going to be that huge wow factor stuff, right? But it's going to be an aluminum panel, and it looks pretty sharp from the photos. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and we're going to go through kind of the day or the process around this, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, like I said, small little dent, nothing crazy. Right there. 2020 Audi R8 V10. The only challenge with this is going to be that there is a clear bra on it. So with knocking down and stuff, I'm just gonna have to use soft tips. But yep. Access hole right here. Have it all taped up so I don't gouge or mess up the back of this, because technically it's the trunk, so this will be opened. I don't know if, quite frequently or whatever, but I just got done with this Audi R8. That's some tough aluminum, I'll tell you that. Show you the tool I used. So I had to tape up that hole with the tools that I did bring. This was the go-to. As you can see, I also taped it up as well, so I wasn't messing up that hole too much. That's the one that had enough curve to actually get all the way over to that edge. One access hole. It was actually kind of perfect. So yeah, just got done with that. Back to the shop, have another meeting here at 1 o'clock. So I might grab something to eat on the way back. But just kind of want to take you guys along just to show you another dent, another day, another dent, right? And go from there. So catch you guys on the next one. We'll see you.